Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, Insha'Allah biqudratullah, today I will be teaching you how to make some sentences in Arabic. How you can make some sentences in Arabic, especially uridu. If you want to say I want to do something, so many things in Arabic, how you can say it in Arabic. Inshallah, this is what I'm going to teach you today. Before I proceed, please subscribe to the channel Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for you to receive a notification whenever we upload a new lecture and a new video. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wassalatu wassalam ala rasulil mustafa sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam salawatullahi alayhi wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man tabi'a sunnatahu ila yawmiddin. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah biqudratullah, this is our fourth class on how to speak Arabic fluently. Billah, if you want to know how to speak Arabic fluently, please subscribe to the channel Al-Ridawi Lectures TV and start following us up to date, especially on Yawm al-Arbi'a. On Wednesday, we used to post a new lesson on how to speak Arabic fluently. You can search for it on YouTube, how to speak Arabic fluently. It will show our lecture to you. It will show you the lesson that we've made. So the first one that we made is how to use urid in Arabic sentences, and also followed by how to speak Arabic fluently. Second class, how to speak Arabic fluently. Third class, this is the fourth class on how to speak Arabic fluently. If you have been following us to date, Insha'Allah biqudratullah, you will be able to know the foundation on speaking Arabic. I don't teach sentences alone, but I'm also teaching how to create your own sentences. If you watch so many videos on YouTube, you may be seeing how to make a sentences alone. But in this last video that I make, and also this one that I'm doing right now, I'm teaching you on how to create your own sentences, on how to know the meaning of any sentences that you read on a book or someone speak to you. So how to know the meaning of it without checking any dictionary. How you yourself to know all the meaning of sentences in Arabic. This is what I'm teaching you. This is why this channel is very special on others. It is very special among the other channel that you'll be watching their lesson on how to speak Arabic fluently. Inshallah biqudratullah, last week I teach al-ismu. I let us know the ta'rif al-ismu, the definition of ismu. And I say that al-ismu kalimatun tadullu ala shay'in yufhamu ma'nahu idha dhukira al-ismu. Al-ismu is a word which is pointing on a thing which we will be knowing the meaning. إذا ذكر الاسم, whenever we mention it. Today I will be teaching al-fi'lu, which is verb, a verb. Al-fi'lu. Al-fi'l, ta'rif al-fi'l. The definition of verb is that al-fi'lu kalimatun tadullu ala husuli shay'in. The definition of verb is that kalimatun is a word tadullu ala husuli shay'in, which is pointing on something that have happened fi zaman al-madi, maybe in a past tense, aw al-hadir, or in a present tense, aw al-mustaqbal, or in a present continuous tense. This is the ta'rif al-fi'l. This is the definition of fi'l. Definition of fi'l, al-fi'l will be giving us past tense, a verb will be giving us past tense, and also present tense, and also present continuous tense, which is al-fi'l al-madi and al-fi'l al-mudari'u. So inshallah biqudratullah, an example for this is that zahaba, he went, yazhabu, he is going, He is going or he will go. Hope you understand. Kataba, he wrote. Al-fi'l al-madi is fi'l al-madi, is a past tense. Kataba, he wrote. Yaktubu, he is writing. He is writing. So if you want to say that I went to masjid, how are you going to say it? Zahabtu ila al-masjid is for both male and female. Zahabtu ila al-masjid, I went to mosque. Zahabtu ila al-bayt, I went to house. Zahabtu ila al-mal'ab, I went to field, to a playing ground, and so on. So this is how to make it in a sentence. This is how to make it in a sentence. And also, if you want to say that I wrote a letter, katabtu risala, katabtu risala, I wrote a letter. I wrote a lesson, katabtu darsa. If you want to say that he wrote a lesson, katabat darsa. Aw kataba darsahu, he wrote his lesson. Zahaba ila al-masjid, he went to the masjid. Two of them went to the masjid. How are you going to say this? Two of them went to the masjid. In Arabic, this is how you are going to say it. Zahaba ila al-masjid. Zahaba is for only male that went to the masjid. But for two male, you are going to give the ba. You are going to give it mad, alif mad. Zahaba ila al-masjid. Both of them went to the mosque. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our understanding. So this is how to use this in sentences, how to make a verb in sentences. Arada, he wish. Yuridu, he wants. So arada, aw aradtu an adhaba ila al-bayt, I want to go home. Or uridu an adhaba ila al-bayt, I want to go home. Uridu an aqra al-Qur'ana, I want to read al-Qur'an. Qara'a, he read. Yaqra'u, he is reading. Ana aqra'u al-Qur'an, I am reading the Qur'an. Ana aqra'u al-Qur'an, I am reading the Qur'an. Ana ajlisu ala al-kursiyyi, I'm sitting down on a chair. I'm sitting down on a chair. Ana ajlisu ala al-kursiyyi. Huwa jalasa ala al-maktabi. Him is sitting down on the desk. Him is sitting down on the desk. So, since you know how to make verb in a sentences, for you to speak in Arabic will be so easy for you. We are having so many sentences in Arabic. Like Zahaba, he went. Kataba, he wrote. Jalasa, he sat. Jalasa, he sat. Qara'a, he read. Najaha, he passed. For someone to pass, he graduate. Najaha. Alima, he knows. Arafa, he knows also. Fahima, he understand. So these are the al-fi'l al-madi. These are the verb that they are working for past tense. So their present tense and their present continuous tense will be alima. Ya'lamu. Ya'lamu will be their present tense or present continuous tense. Ya'lamu. Alima is the past tense. Ya'lam is the present tense. Arafa is the past tense. Ya'rifu is the present tense. Kataba is the past tense and yaktubu is present tense. Jalasa is past tense, yajlisu is present tense. Qara'a is past tense, yaqra'u is present tense. So it will be so easy for you to speak Arabic when you know all these verbs in Arabic. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make speaking Arabic easier for us. And also, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this as an act of ibadah for us. Please, I beg you once again, subscribe to the channel, Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. Also, share our video. Please, if you are gaining one or two things in this lecture, please share these lectures. Let this lecture go viral for us. All over the internet. Share it on your WhatsApp. share it on your Facebook, and share it on Instagram. Please let this lecture go viral for us. Let this lesson go viral for us. If you have any question that you want to ask, please use the comment below, the comment box below, to ask for any question that you want to ask. Maybe you want to ask for the meaning of sentences, like someone do last week. The name of the person is Muhyiddin Akade. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be with him. Please, if you also want to ask any question, type the question that you want to ask below. I will personally answer you through the comment box. And also, I may mention you also in our next lesson. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be with us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this as an act of ibadah. Please subscribe to this channel, Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.